If you're prone to cavities, have translucent teeth, then this is for you. To a jar, you're going to just add 3 tablespoons of MCT and coconut oil. You can do sesame seed oil. A teaspoon of hydroxyapatite crystals. This remineralizes your teeth. So after you're done brushing at night, you're going to be coating your teeth in this and sleep in it. I'm not measuring, but and as you sleep, it's going to prevent the cavities, and it's going to go in and remineralize the teeth, so your teeth become stronger, thicker. You're going to add a teaspoon of xylitol, again, backed by studies. You see, so they will sell toothpaste with these for like 20 bucks with this ingredients. They will sell a lot of toothpaste or gum with xylitol. You always want to look for xylitol from the birch tree, not from corn. And make sure to keep it away from your kids or animals. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Vendanite clay, and you can do sea salt if you want, if you're prone to like throat things. And you're just gonna mix. In the morning, you're gonna, again, tongue scrape if you're extra like me. Swish, 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 spit in the trash always. At night, you're gonna coat your teeth. It actually tastes really good as well. So after you're done brushing, you take a little bit, spit in trash, do not rinse. You want it to coat, and it will help whiten the teeth, thicken them, and help reverse cavities.